Welcome to our YouTube video on scaling your Fiverr business. Once you've established yourself as a successful freelancer on Fiverr, it's time to take your business to the next level. Welcome to our YouTube channel, my tech students. In this video, we'll explore strategies and tips to help you scale your Fiverr business beyond the basics and unlock new opportunities for growth. Scaling your Fiverr business involves expanding your client base, increasing your revenue, and optimizing your processes for efficiency. Let's delve into some key strategies to help you scale your Fiverr business effectively. Strategy 1. Diversify your services. One way to scale your Fiverr business is to diversify your services. Consider offering additional services within your niche or expanding into related areas. This allows you to cater to a wider range of clients and increase your earning potential. Strategy 2. Package your services. Packaging your services into different tiers or bundles can be an effective way to scale your business. Create packages that offer different levels of service or additional features. This not only attracts clients with varying budgets but also increases the average order value. Strategy 3. Build your brand. Building a strong brand presence is essential for scaling your Fiverr business. Invest in professional branding, create a compelling profile, and maintain consistency across your gig descriptions, portfolio, and communication. A strong brand attracts more clients and sets you apart from the competition. Strategy 4. Optimize your gig descriptions and keywords. To increase your visibility on Fiverr, optimize your gig descriptions and use relevant keywords. Understand what clients are searching for and incorporate those keywords naturally into your gig titles, descriptions, and tags. This helps your gigs appear in relevant search results, attracting more potential clients. Strategy 5. Leverage social media and networking. Social media platforms and networking events can be powerful tools for scaling your Fiverr business. Utilize platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter to showcase your work, connect with potential clients, and collaborate with other professionals. Engage in online communities and attend industry events to expand your network and gain exposure. Strategy 6. Streamline your processes. As your business grows, it's crucial to streamline your processes to ensure efficiency and deliver exceptional service. Automate repetitive tasks, create templates for frequently used messages, and establish clear workflows. This allows you to handle more orders without compromising on quality. Strategy 7. Consider outsourcing or collaborating. When the workload becomes overwhelming, consider outsourcing or collaborating with other freelancers. This allows you to handle more projects simultaneously and meet client demands. Ensure that you work with reliable professionals who align with your quality standards and deadlines. Strategy 8. Focus on customer retention. While attracting new clients is important, don't overlook the value of customer retention. Provide exceptional service to existing clients, offer loyalty incentives, and maintain regular communication. Happy and satisfied clients are more likely to become repeat customers and refer others to your services. Scaling your Fiverr business requires strategic planning, continuous improvement, and a focus on delivering exceptional value. By implementing these strategies, you can take your Fiverr business beyond the basics and achieve long-term success. Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary based on personal efforts and market conditions. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the like button and press bell icon.